Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, before I do anything, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. We have a lot of really great stuff coming up. And I'm so excited because we found this beautiful property, and I have to say it's in Pienza. And the areas in and around Pienza, Montepulciano, Cortona are super hot right now. Why? Because a lot of movies are coming out that feature that area. There were two. One I saw, which I really recommend, with George Clooney. It's called J. Kelly. Really like that one. Filmed right in our area. In fact, I think I might have been on one of the roads that they were actually filming on, which is very cool. But this house is amazing. It's a beautiful independent villa with park-like surroundings. It's 3 beds, 3 baths, massive, beautifully renovated. Honestly, I would not do anything to change it. So let's go through it together, shall we? We only have a few photos, but I want to show them to you because it's exciting. This first photo basically shows you the outside of the house, and you can see there's a lot of hardscaping outside, which is really great because you have lots of parking. If you wanted to run this as a sort of B&B / villa for rent, it could be very lucrative. These things in this area, they rent for a lot. And here's from the other side. You can see it has a massive garage and another parking area. Boy, you can really entertain here with a lot of parties and stuff like that. The park-like grounds, the beautiful interiors, and tons of parking, which is lovely. And it's quite secure. It has a front gate that obviously is an electric gate, and the whole area looks to be fenced. Here's another view from the outside. Beautiful hardscaping, tons of beautiful plants and trees. And you can see that the lot itself is really quite large. Now, here's my favorite photo. It's a photo of the dining room / living room because, first of all, I love the way they redid the solaio, or the ceilings. They basically left it with some of the beams showing it's modern, but it still has a nod toward the traditional. And I just love that floor. The floor is super traditional, but obviously brand new. The windows are brand new. It's just gorgeous. And the dining room is huge. And so is the living room. And from here you can see some of the architectural details that really are throughout all the pictures that I've seen of this house. Now in Calabria, you know, having seen the pictures of Casa Cristina, that the big thing is to leave some of the exposed stonework that shows sort of the history of the house, but still looks super modern and clean. And they did that right here. I love this insert and I love these details. And I will tell you, I love these brand new windows too, because been in a few places with some of those old windows, and there's nothing like brand new windows. And here's another view of the living room area that's just off the dining room. And you can see there's a gorgeous fireplace there that in wintertime is really going to heat up the space. You could put in a wood stove if you want to. If you do, I would put a little window so you can see the fire. It just adds that homey look there. Beautiful. And then you can also see out to the entry. Here's another view of the living room, dining room area. I really want to go and film this property if it's still available when we return after the holidays, because it has what they call a sofita, which is a little loft area. I can't wait to see what it looks like. There's so many details in this house, and there's not a huge number of photos. I really want to see the whole thing and just unlock all of its treasures. Now here's the kitchen. Oh my gosh, would you die for this kitchen? I might die for this kitchen. It is really spectacular and beautifully built. I could almost guarantee you that it is built to measure and probably done by one of the local falegname, which are the woodworkers. And here's the other side of the kitchen. There's tons of space in here. And what I love about this house is there's tons and tons of light, space, just everything you could want in an independent house like this. And there's another little fireplace in your kitchen, which you could turn into a pizza oven if you want to, or you can, you know, use it for whatever. Back in the day, they would take these little bean pots and they put beans and some bacony bits and things like that in there and just put it in the fire, let it cook all day. And I'm telling you, those are some of the best beans I've ever had. So if you really want to get into rustic Italian cooking, this little fireplace might be a boon for you. And here's a shot of the kitchen looking out to the dining room. The thing is set up so beautifully. And you can see they have big furniture in the kitchen, but it's still a really big kitchen. I love the way this thing has been renovated. And the stairs go up to the zona notte. There's 3 bedrooms, 3 baths. Here's a shot of one of the bathrooms. Unfortunately, there's not a lot of photos, but like I said, I cannot wait to go film this if possible. Now this whole place, including the grounds and everything, is listed at 590,000 euros in Pienza. That to me is a screaming deal. So if you want more photos, if you want more information on this place, we know the real estate agent very well and we can help you get them. So send us an email, but let us know in the comments, what do you think about this place? Are you curious? I know I am. See you soon, guys.